Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good and staying safe. In this video, I will be sharing one dinner menu and what I prepared for the potluck for ladies party. And now I have come for shopping to Freshco. See, you can see the yellow flowers all over. I keep seeing in my neighborhood these yellow flowers everywhere wild. It is just a weed, but it looks very beautiful though. As soon as the weather changes, the spring has come and you will see flowers everywhere. Even in between, I will show you when I went for walking, I have captured few more flowers. I have prepared hung curd for one recipe and I will not waste that water also which came out of the yogurt. Now I am preparing the dough for parathas. See, I have taken wheat flour and maida together. 3 cups of wheat flour and 2 cups of maida. To that salt, sugar, yogurt and the water from yogurt which came when I prepared the hung curd, right? That also I will be using for making this paratha dough, and rest of the water just normal water I used. This way if you prepare by mixing yogurt, the dough is going to be extremely softer. At the end I added little bit of oil. Now I am preparing korma. For that, in oil I have taken whole spices, along with that little bit of saunf and zeera also. Whole spices means long, patta, ilaichi and saunf, zeera, onion, tomato and little bit of shredded coconut. Nicely cook it until soft and tender and let it cool completely. Let's prepare paratha. This paratha dough was resting for at least half an hour. If you have little open space, definitely make this way. You can work on open this kitchen counter and all very nicely. At one stretch you can make 4 to 5 pedas and all. See the way I am making, nicely rolled big paratha like, and then you can make strips of this kind after applying oil. Even after making strips, I will be just simply spreading some more flour so that those strips will not stick to each other and you will have nice layering. If you want, you can make with 3 or 4 strips. I will choose to make 3 strips. That is more than enough for me. See how beautiful those layers you can see. The same way if you make and roll the parathas, they will have lot of layers. This is the all-time favorite way of making paratha for me. Every time whenever I have to store these rolls also, these pedas also in the fridge, I will make this way only and keep mostly. Now the mixture of that korma is room temperature. To that I will be adding into the mixer jar. To that I added coriander, mint and little bit handful of roasted chana dal which we will use for coconut chutney. Now in a pot I have taken oil, chili powder, dhania powder and little bit of garam masala and even turmeric powder I have taken, ginger garlic paste and green chili paste it was. Everything fried in the oil, then add the puree which we prepared. This is also very simple way of making korma. In this many things you can add. Now I am adding moong dal. That is I have already boiled the moong and kept it in the fridge. That is what I am going to use. In this place you can also use chana. I have already boiled chana also. I will just take 1 handful and add it in this. No worries. It's all your choice. Now when the korma comes to boil, we will be adding all these boiled lentils into it and check the salt and add salt accordingly. Mix it well and bring it to boil. At that time I will be again adding little bit of coriander and cover it and cook. That's all. Our simple korma, pure vegetarian, is very ready. In this curry itself you can add eggs, you can add chana, you can add mushroom, you can add mixed vegetables or even chicken. Anything of your choice. Now I am preparing parathas. What for I am preparing this dinner is, today in our house we have roza, that is fasting for Shawwal month. So evening dinner directly we will make. That is what I am making. Whenever you roll parathas, don't roll them very thin. They should be thick. Then only the parathas will be nice and soft. Very thin parathas and all will become hard as you fry them. But do not forget one good tip. Add yogurt while mixing the dough itself. That will keep your parathas nice and soft. As I have ladies potluck party tomorrow, I have planned to make chicken tikka with salad and little bit of rice also. For that only I was running out of chicken. I went to Freshco, bought chicken and came. Now after the dinner time at late night, I will be marinating the chicken tikka for next day. Whenever you make paratha, right, definitely give a nice tap the way I showed. That will keep your paratha softer for a long time. If you leave them just the way it is fried, they will become very easily, they will become hard. But if you pat it from all sides, it will become very much softer. Very healthy and very tasty, yummy food it is. All of you can try the same recipe and leave a good comment too. Every time we buy any kind of meat from halal meat shop only, either here from Cambridge or from Milton, but today I need chicken immediately for tomorrow's party, so I bought it from Freshco, where there will be one full aisle for halal meat. Very limited options only will be there. In that I needed only boneless chicken, which was available over there. That is enough. Now I have taken 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, nice 4 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of green chili paste, oil little bit, 1/4 cup, and nice full 1/2 cup of hung curd. Here salt, turmeric, chili powder, kasuri methi, garam masala, zira powder and chaat powder. In the center it is food color. Now mix all these ingredients in that yogurt mix. Nicely give it a good mix. Yogurt is very thick. You have to give a very nice mix. Any ingredient you want to increase or decrease, you can do it, like salt and spice level. These chicken cubes, you can see the perfect size. I have bite size. I have cut them for a reason. I will show you in a little while. To this itself, I am also cutting some cube size of peppers. Nicely give it a good mix, and overnight marination is always better for these kind of tikkas. So I am done with my job. This clip is for all pet lovers. Keep watching.
It's okay.
I'm scared little bit, okay? Yeah. You can come, but yeah, you can come, but it's
He won't do anything.
He won't? Is
No.
it?
Wow.
That is a face?
Here.
He won't do anything?
No. I have his head over here.
Oh, that's
If you want to
great.
touch his tail.
No.
No.
I'm really scared. Otherwise, I would have. Oh, thank you very much. That's very nice.
इजाजत पूछ
नहीं.
कुछ भी नहीं होता रे
Yeah. Shall I put in any of my videos?
फेसबुक का ना
Feel free.
Thank you.
His
Thank
name
you.
is Squishy.
Khushi.
Yes.
squishy
Sushi. Yeah. Nice. Thanks for sharing with
Oh,
us.
no problem.
You're welcome. Bye. When I came back from the party only, we saw this lady with the snake. It is her pet. You can see people have even snake as their pet. This is in our community. Just next to my door itself, I can see they have turtle, they have rabbits and dogs, of course. Was little bit scary because never seen it just so close by, that too without any cage. Now as we went for walking, took few clips of flowers everywhere. This is spring season. You can see everywhere flowers. Everywhere you can see mostly tulip flowers will be there definitely, and all colors in all shades you can see tulip flowers. And of course those yellow color flowers also you can see everywhere, because that is the weed which everywhere it grows so wild. Now next day morning, when I started preparing for the party, I prepared little bit of rice for our house. Little extra I prepared and took it for the party also. See, this is oil and butter together and whole spices normally which you will add for any pulao, with bay leaf and lot of onions. Do not need to burn the onions into golden brown and all. I just added ginger garlic paste, turmeric powder. I don't want to add any food color, just added salt and turmeric powder and nicely give it a good stir and I will be adding little bit of chicken stock. Usually if you have chicken, you can add few chicken pieces itself, it will be like chicken pulao, but now I am adding chicken cube, which you will usually get in the shop. Generally the idea is to give nice flavor to the rice, either with chicken pieces or chicken stock. That's it. Just fry the rice for 1 or 2 minutes, and I will be adding the water. For 4 cups of rice I am adding 7 cups, only 1 cup less I am adding, 1 cup less water, that is 7 cups of water, and nicely mix it. Adjust the salt, and I will be adding pudina as another flavoring. Other than whole spices and bay leaf, this pudina flavor also will be very nice. You can see it is now it is the time for dum. I am adding little bit of garam masala and zira powder. Give it a flip flap from upside down and cover it and cook for 5 to 10 minutes, and your pulao will be very much ready. Salad early morning I cut and kept in the fridge. It was a normal salad with lettuce, tomato and cucumber. Now I have also cut some onions like cube, you can see, and these skewers you will get, this is little bit bigger than the toothpick, not toothpick size. You can see how I am going to make the skewers. Onions, chicken piece, 1 pepper, another chicken piece, another pepper. I thought I will give 3 pieces, that will be overstuffing in that skewer, so only 2 pieces of chicken was coming. We have party for 15 people. Okay, that's okay. Then I have prepared 30 to 35 skewers I prepared. That will be more than enough for our party. This skewers work also I should have done at night itself. You can always be very much prepared by doing things previous day itself, but it was too late. I am doing it in the morning. Now instantly I am going to bake it. That's the most easiest way I can do it. For me it is so easy. Otherwise you can always freely do it on your tawa, stove top tawa, or air fry also. I did air fry at the next day. There was lot of chicken left from this. You can see now after it is done for 25 minutes in the baking mode for 350 degree Fahrenheit. I am just giving some butter on top. Just before I pack it in the box, right, I will just give it for broil mode. Some 4 minutes I will give. That will give nice burnt texture on top. For that you should give this butter layer on top. That is very important. It will give extra taste and extra glaze also on top. These were very tasty and very delicious. At the end I will definitely add the clip from the party, all other dishes what other friends brought also. You can have a look. And even at the end I will show you how I prepared next day this same chicken tikka in lawn skewers, that too in air fryer mode, just for 10 plus 10 20 25 minutes. It was very much ready. For 10 minutes I kept on one side and just flipped it on the other side and splashed some butter. 20 minutes in air fryer. You can do both the ways. Either you can bake, you can also do it in air fryer, or you can simply fry it on the stove top tawa. When I was ready, even my friend came to pack it. You can see we both of us together packing it inside the box to take it. The remaining chicken I prepared in the air fryer, I told, right? See, the remaining chicken I'm preparing it air fryer, and this lot of peppers were there with onions, so I will be preparing some paneer tikka also by the side in the same one. Hope you all enjoyed watching this video, especially the pet lovers also had something to watch today, and all the recipes were something new. You can also definitely give it a try. Hope you all like it. If you like my videos, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Live tasty, be happy. Soon I'll be back with another awesome recipe or a vlog. Until then, stay safe, take care and goodbye.